Welcome, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're exploring ShareDrop.io, a powerful tool for transferring large files between devices over Wi-Fi. This browser-based solution works seamlessly across all major platforms. Let's dive in and learn how to use it. First things first, we need to access ShareDrop.io. Fire up your preferred browser and head to your favorite search engine. In the search bar, type ShareDrop and hit enter. Now, this is important. Make sure you're typing ShareDrop, not DropShare. We don't want to end up on the wrong site. Look for the top result that leads to ShareDrop.io. That's our destination. All right, we're on ShareDrop's homepage. You'll be greeted with a welcoming introduction pop-up. Take a moment to read it, then click the Got It button to proceed. Now, you'll see the main interface. In my case, there are already 2 users here. I'm the Courageous Chicken, and the Thoughtful Rhino is my second computer, which happens to be my wife's computer. Let's go through the process of sending a file. First, we need to locate the file we want to send. I'll open File Explorer and find the file I want to share. For this demonstration, I've got a cute video of some corgi dogs. Let's take a quick peek. Aren't they adorable? I can't wait to share this with my wife. To send the file, simply drag it onto the recipient's avatar. ShareDrop will ask you to confirm whether you want to send the file to the recipient. Click Send to proceed. You'll see a message saying, waiting for Thoughtful Rhino to accept. Now, we just need to wait for the recipient to accept the file and select a save location. And there it goes. It's that easy. Now, let's look at how it works in reverse. My wife is sending me a video file too. When you receive a file, you'll see a prompt to accept it. Click Save and choose where you want to store the file. Let's take a look at what she sent me. Just look at that cat sliding. We have a habit of sending funny animal videos to each other. But wait, there's more. Let me show you how to connect with other methods, which can be useful in various scenarios. In the top right corner of the ShareDrop interface, you'll see a plus sign button. Click on it, and a new window will pop up. It'll say, share files between devices in different networks. Copy provided address and send it to the other person. This feature is incredibly useful when you need to share files with someone who's not on your local network. You have 2 options here. You can either copy the URL link and send it directly to the other person, or you can have them scan the QR code. As the instructions state, once the other person opens this page in a browser, you'll see each other's avatars. Let's try this out. I'll scan the QR code with my smartphone. Once I open the link on my phone, it launches a browser instance with this share room. After closing the pop-up, you can see another user has connected. The Convivial Bear. That's just me on my smartphone. The process of sending and receiving files remains the same, regardless of how you've connected. To demonstrate, I'll send a video file from my phone to my computer. On the receiving end, just click Save, choose a location, and the file is downloaded. And there you have it. Tech enthusiasts, we've explored ShareDrop.io, the fastest way to transfer files between devices over Wi-Fi. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Until next time, happy sharing.